Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, which pro-market analyst at Enter Markets on Friday the 17th of March. Moving on to cable. We've seen these bull candles racking up now as cable continues to unwind this sell-off within the range, this medium-term range that remains in place between sort of 119.80 up towards 27.75. Now I'm sort of still an advocate of selling into strength on cable, but I think this move has gone a little bit beyond what I'd expected. I mean, looking at this chart here, you'd sort of look at all these candles throughout February, and say, well, there's going to be an overhead supply, and I still think there is to a degree an overhead supply that we need to be worried about from all this trading. Market, all these sort of traders who would have got long throughout February would have sort of seen this big sell-off and thought, crikey, that's going to really be going again. You've got this unwinding move, and whether this unwinding move is now used to be another chance to sell, it'll be interesting to see, because these markets, or the momentum is unwinding. Stochastics are rising strongly, MACD lines crossing higher. But look at the RSI. It's interesting that the RSI is basically just unwinding back towards that 60 mark, isn't it? And if it sort of starts to roll over and fail around 60, I think that could be your selling opportunity. But for now, it clearly is that the near-term outlook is sort of trumping the medium-term overhead supply argument. But as to how long it lasts for, I'm not entirely sure. I think it's got a little bit of legs in it, because obviously the bull candles are still being posted, but I don't think it's going to be going too much further. But obviously you'd need to wait for resistance to start to come in, and you need to wait for a sell signal really before you can trade with conviction again to the downside, because at the moment obviously the near-term outlook is positive. So that is the main caveat, but certainly in the near-term outlook, higher lows and higher highs. So that makes it positive. 23.20 initially supportive. 22.50 is an old breakout as well, old pivot. So a couple of levels to work with on the downside, but certainly I think if it moves back below 23.45, for example, which is that old range low, I think that would start to sort of generate a bit of selling pressure again, because that would be sort of turning bull candles into bear candles on the rally, and then I think that would be the sort of signal to suggest we're starting to roll over. So that would be my outlook on it. But for now, obviously we're still running a near-term rally, but if it does start to roll over, 23.45 is the key level I'm looking at for that. So I wish you good luck in your chart trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.